public speakers stage life. That's what I'm gonna to show you today. I'm gonna film everything about this workshop tonight that Vytautas are making. So today is our event about powerful storytelling. So what's going on behind the scenes, what people are doing before the event, what they're creating, how they're setting the room, how they're getting to in the state before they're going on a stage, how they deal with emotions, how they're managing their event. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video about Vytautas. So I'm really excited because he was growing a lot and he is still growing, and it takes a lot of effort for him and going out of his comfort zone to come on stage and to be who he is right now. So I'm really proud of him. That's what I'm making video about him today. So check this out. Are you excited? Yeah! What are you doing? Secrets? What kind of secrets?
Big secrets.
Is a cheat note for you?
Kind of.
Kind of?
My models.
Your model. So you're not gonna forget?
Yes.
Yes. Awesome. Smile. Big smile. Getting in state. It's really important before you go on a stage to get in state, to be your higher self, to deliver the speech powerfully, to transform people's lives by speaking your truth from your heart, gut feeling, and from your higher self as best as you can for this day, in this moment. It's really important for all the speakers, all famous speakers is getting in the state all the time before they go on the stage. And it's various of things they can do. Meditate, jump, all kind of things. It's Vytautas. Tell me why it's important to get in state.
Because you will be ready to deliver when you are already in state, when you are already in that flowing sensation inside your body. Because lots of people just go on stage with no warm-up, with no preparation, and they go into the state step by step by getting through their presentation. So you have to be in state already when you go on stage. When you start your presentation, you have to be already in state, energized, connected, powerful, and ready to change people's lives.
What is your favorite thing to do before you go? before you go on stage or you getting in state?
Visualization, breathing, and some physical movements.
What is your power move?
Movements.
Show your power move. Show your power move. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. I'm ready. I'm ready. Born ready.
Viril, shake that ass. Shake that ass. Aww.
Awesome. Awesome. Amazing.
How is the energy in the room?
Emotional and energy is awesome. Like the speaker is the reflection of the audience and the audience is a reflection of the speaker. So when you are a speaker, you have to observe the audience and monitor it as well. So if you see that the audience is getting sleepy, not engaging, you have to raise your energy as well. And there are great tricks and tips how we can do it. And even if your audience is getting lazy and you might feel your energy is getting down, might be the audience energy is getting down because of lots and lots of content that you are teaching. So you have to take a short break and move around and make them do something silly, crazy to change the state and change what they were used to for the past hour or whatever, how long you were talking how long you were talking before.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing. First part was really powerful. He shared that he never shared before with others. So it's good to hear. It's really going out of his comfort zone to talk about really personal stuff. And it's interesting where it's gonna go. So second part.
How you doing?
Oh yeah, baby! Getting in the stage!
Thirsty.
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 Are you hot?
No, thirsty.
Tonight's event, what I liked was the specifics of what you need to do to become a speaker. I enjoyed Sonia's MC, Vitalicity's talk about being a speaker, and then I loved his bit at the end where he was selling. If I hadn't bought the course already, I definitely would buy it now. So, thank you.
Speakers Academy, it's really great place to be. I'll tell you why, because if you grow in your knowledge and experience, that's the best place to put it both together, because probably like if you like me learning from books, you're sitting at home but you will have no place and probably no courage to actually go out and speak. Here you will have to, and there is that saying in here, if you want to be a speaker you have to speak, and that's what we're doing here.
What did you like about storytelling?
Storytelling is great. I know that storytelling is the part that actually catch on the emotions. So you can be given all the methodology, but it will actually hit your brain. With storytelling, you hit in the heart, and that's when you actually can, connect with people.
Thank you.
It's really good to come time and time again. I love the aspect about the storytelling. I think it's so powerful. But like Vitalta said, you've got to practice it and you've got to know about the structure. Tonight was a really good reminder about the structure. I really particularly like the introductions when you say imagine, because it's so powerful. You can just see every head changing and everybody going into their body and their imagination and trying to be part of that story. It's very powerful. Also, I'm really enjoying taking on the role as being the MC, and as with most of the time, that when I sit down and make myself learn it and teach it to somebody else, it's just so ingrained in me, and that's actually my really fantastic way of learning. That's what moves me forward. and it was quite impactful. Had lots of good feedback from that. So yeah, I'm really chuffed. I need to do it again. That'd be really, really great. But I'm growing every day, and it's down to the academy. So thank you, team. It's so amazing. Thank you.
So, how you think your event went?
Good. It went good, very good.
How are you feeling right now?
Tired,
Tired?
excited, tired. Yes. 3-hour workshop is not an easy thing to do.
But you did it.
Absolutely. Not the first time though.
What it takes to be a leader? What do you think?
Skills, energy. I don't know, lots.
Practice.
Yes, and practice, absolutely.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
That much that you grow all the time. I see it different. Thank you for watching. I shared everything what it takes to become a public speaker and behind the scenes, everything how it's working. So thank you once again for watching. Subscribe, like and share, comment your thoughts, and talk to you soon.